Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. It has been a good day. I got this package the other day. I'm running a little bit behind on some videos, but here we go. We got to get this one done. This came from Old Path. Y'all got to go check out his channel, Old Path Woodworks. He's got an awesome channel going on. That man's got a big old heart and he is super generous. He's been playing with some cypress and some cedar and a little bit of oak, and he whipped up a goodie box and sent to me, and man, it's got some goodies. But here we go. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna lay it out here on the table. I'll give y'all a peek. But this box is full. So let's see. Right here, there we go. All this side right here is these little, looks like the cypress blanks, right? These are all pretty much cut to size to a tube already, so you guys to be careful, drill it and glue it pretty center, and then you have just a little bit to trim the barrel off, just enough to get a blank made. But that's too cool there. And then we got, this is some oak. You can tell about how dense and heavy that is. It's another piece. I think there's three pieces of that oak in there. That's just, you can tell, that's heavy stuff. Then there's a few pieces of some cedar. It's got some nice color in it. Look at that red in there. There's a couple pieces of that in there too. That's cool, so I like that. Thank you so much, Old Path. Then we have some more of the cypress. Oh goodness. Some bigger splits of that. And then we just, we got a chunk. That's just too cool right there. And that right there, Old Path, you said you didn't know if you had anything big enough for a bowl. You can spin a little bowl piece out of that. That's big enough to try to play with a little bowl. Just a shallow little thing. It don't have to be no cereal bowl or nothing. Now that would be something if I still ate cereal like I used to. Oh man, I just might have to make me a cereal bowl one day. There you go. But man, thank you so much, Old Path. I'm gonna leave a link to Old Path's channel. Y'all need to go check it out. So much. Go show him some love. Give him some subscribers and all that good stuff. And even watch some videos. Help rack up those watch hours. But awesome. Thank you so much again, Old Path. Everybody, y'all have an awesome day. Stay awesome. Stay laid back. And remember, it's my job to be grumpy. God bless everybody.